It's so nice to be outdoors again and to get my daily steps in. Today, I'm going to take you on a walking adventure with Pikmin Bloom. Special thanks to Google Play for sponsoring this video. We know that staying active is extremely important, not just for your physical health, but for your mental health as well. So why not make it more fun and join me in the Playmakers Flower Power Fitness Challenge. So I'm going to be taking my first 10K steps today in honor of Pikmin Bloom's Community Day. And let's make every step count, okay? So before I start walking, I'm going to start flower planting. And as I'm walking, I'm going to be planting flowers along my journey to make this park really beautiful and comfortable for my Pikmin. I mean, seriously, this app is such a fun and engaging way to get us outdoors and really to get our steps in. It makes me want to walk further. And before I know it, I'm already close to hitting my 10,000 steps. So guys, get outside. It's going to be really good for your mood, for your energy level, and it's going to make you really happy as well. So I'm going to grow my seedlings into Pikmin by walking more. And I'm also going to feed the nectar to my Pikmin to collect more petals for flower planting. One thing I love about being outdoors is to fit in a quick 5-minute total body HIIT workout to really get my heart rate up and burn more calories. So we've warmed up by walking around the park. Now, let's do this with me, okay? Whether you're in the park or at home. So, only 40 seconds for each workout and 20 seconds rest. This is your challenge. Let's go. Tap down and go to the right. Tap, side to side shuffle. Making sure that you're squatting low. And we want to really power through using your legs. Tap, good job. Woo. And this is also going to help us to get our steps in. It's a big space, so play and enjoy the space. Tap, last few more. Woo, I can feel the burn. And oh my gosh, I know. All right, still working on our lower body, still working on explosive movements, okay? Next workout is going to be a shuffle with plyo lunges. All right, so start easy, shuffle, and we want to add 2 plyo lunges. Okay, let's go. Shuffle and 2 plyo lunges. Good. If this is too difficult, we can just go with static lunges. Shuffle, static lunge, step forward, step back and back. If not, let's go. Explosive movement, 1 up, power through. Woo! Ah, it's such a beautiful day being outdoor. Oh, keep going. Last few more. Shuffle. Let's go. Plyo lunges. And up. All right. Whew. Catch your breath. Breathe in, and grab some water if you need to. Next, let's work on forward squat, jump with a quick run back, okay? So if you want to step slightly back, give me 2 forward squat jump, all right? And take a short jog back. Jump and jog. Good job. Again, if this is too much for you, what you can do is squat, step forward, and run back. So choose your option, okay? What I want you to do is to follow along, listen to your body, and get active. Run back, a few more, jump forward, and run back. Okay. All right, I know my heart rate is going crazy. All right, now let's get down onto the floor. We're going to go with Breakdancer and a knee tuck, a really fun move. So get into a high plank position, release your hand into a Breakdancer and 2 knee tucks. Okay, let's try it. Release, kick it, 2 knee tucks. Good. Woo. Up, 2 knee tucks, and 1 more. Tuck it in, Feel your abs. Kick as high as you can. Knee tucks. You got this, okay? You're almost there. Last one more. And come back up. Whew. I have grass in my hands, but it's all good, okay? One final workout to end this 5-minute HIIT challenge. We're going to end with simple jumping jacks, just to increase your heart rate and slowly bring your heart rate back down. Are we ready? Let's go. Jumping jacks. Pace your breathing. Breathe in and breathe out. Reach your arms as high as you can. And keep breathing, okay? A quick 5-minute workout, but this is a really good fat burning circuit. Stay with me. We're almost at the finishing line. Almost there. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, very, very well done. Well done. I hope your heart rate is as high as mine right now. Okay, and time for a quick selfie. I've hit my steps, I've done a quick 5-minute HIIT workout, and I'm feeling really good. And this is also my favorite part, where I'm able to log and reflect on my day with my Pikmin. So I'm able to see how many steps I've hit and where I've been. I'm also able to log how I felt, add a picture, and log my notes. And I'm also able to look back at all my previous logs and track my progress. Another favorite feature is the social aspect. So I'm going to invite my friends to play Pikmin Bloom and encourage them to get active. And I get to also interact with them by sending them postcards. I mean, this is such a great way to keep each other accountable while having fun together. This app has encouraged me to keep my phone in my pocket as I go about my daily activities. That's because I want to be able to log my steps and grow new Pikmin buddies. I mean, this is seriously such a fun and engaging way to motivate us to stay active and hit our daily steps. So, be sure to download Pikmin Bloom on Google Play and hit your first 10,000 steps today.